So my wife and I moved into a new home in Wauwatosa, and the kitchen was renovated, I'm gonna guess, in the early 90s, and it was just not really well done. No cabinet space, and my wife loves to cook. John was gonna come and he was going to give us a plan. He was gonna draw something up to fit what my wife was looking for. My wife and I have moved 7 times, owned 7 houses, built 2 of the 7, been through all the processes of renovating homes and building homes, and this was one of the easier projects. It's pretty much everything that I expected, except for the fact that I've been through a lot, right? So someone that's never done it might think, well, wow, this was a lot, but it was pretty much spot on. It actually was a remodel and reface. So we kept the lower cabinets, 3 or 4 of the lower cabinets, where the stove was and where the sink was. The rest was completely remodeled, all done. It was a cost-saving thing. We thought, well, why rip these cabinets out? If we just reface them, it'll save us some money. And the refacing looks, you can't tell at all. I mean, it's just perfect. Well, it was easy to work with him. I think his prices were completely fair and within market costs for renovations. His team was great, very professional, cleaned up. It looked great every day, the 2 or 3 days they were there. It wasn't long. But it was just an easy project to do, and then the finished product was incredible, and my wife was happy, and she got to make me some great meals.